In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in MetaTrader 5 in PC. If you're new to MetaTrader 5 or you just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will have you connected to your trading account in minutes. First, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. After you've installed it, you should see the MT5 icon on your desktop. Double-click it to launch the platform. Give it a moment to load. The first screen may show a few default charts. Next, head to the Login option. In the top left corner of the platform, click File, then choose Login to Trade Account. This opens the login window where you'll enter your details. In the login window, type your MT5 account number in the login field. Below that, enter your trading password in the password field. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on and that you're matching any upper and lowercase letters exactly. Finally, pick the correct server from the server dropdown. This will be the specific server provided by your broker, such as a real or live server name. Selecting the wrong server is the most common cause of failed logins, so double check it against the information your broker sent when you open the account. When everything looks correct, click OK to connect. If the login is successful, you'll notice charts begin to load, prices start updating in the market watch, and the connection status bars in the bottom right corner turn active with green and red indicators. If nothing updates or you see an authorization error, revisit your account number, password, and server choice. A few important tips as you work through this. Keep your master password private. It allows you to place trades. If you only want to let someone view your account without trading, use the investor password instead. If you've just opened an account, your broker typically emails your login, password, and server details. Refer to that message or check your client portal to avoid typos. If you have multiple accounts with the same broker, confirm you're using the right combination of account number and server. And if you ever change your password, update it in MT5 the next time you log in. That's it. Open MT5, go to the login window, enter your account number, password, and correct server, then click OK and watch the platform connect.